Worthiness. I am worthy of financial abundance. Image of person holding a lot of money. I deserve to prosper in all areas of my life, including finances. Prosperity flows effortlessly into my life. It is my birthright. Wealth chooses me. I am a magnet for abundance. Mindset. I am open to receiving wealth from expected and unexpected sources. I release all resistance to money. I am open to receiving abundance in every form. Money is a positive force, allowing me to make a positive impact. I am in control of my finances. I make empowered choices for financial success. My bank account reflects my positive thoughts. I attract wealth with my mindset. I am a wise money manager. I use my resources well and avoid debt. Abundance. Abundance surrounds me and is always within my reach. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. I am in a perpetual flow of prosperity. I am financially free. My life reflects the wealth I create. My income is constantly increasing, moving towards financial abundance. Financial independence is limitlessly available to me. Opportunity. I am a magnet for innovative ideas that align me with financial increase. Wealth is pouring into my life. It is easy for me to acquire money and wealth. I am constantly attracting new and exciting opportunities to increase my income. I am open to receiving financial blessings in all forms. Gratitude. I am grateful for the abundance that is already in my life. I appreciate the financial security that I have. I am thankful for the opportunities to earn more money. I celebrate my financial successes, big and small. Action. My actions lead to financial prosperity. I am worthy of having everything I desire, and I take inspired action to achieve it. I am constantly learning and growing, improving my ability to attract wealth.